Hi everybody, I'm Mason. This is my sister Bryn here at ARTspot. We are going to show off some of the things in this year's ARTspot Inktober Kit.
Ta-da! Pretty excited.
Super excited.
We've got a really cool kit all put together for you guys, and yeah, Inktober starts October 1st, which is next week. We're going to give you everything you need to get all set up to do 31 drawings in 31 days. Alright, what's inside?
3 main categories. First off, the one that I did not wrap, this Higgins Black India ink.
And this is going to be a liquid ink, right? It's just like a traditional old school, it's just ink, inky ink.
There's a lot of different ways that you can use that. Hopefully we'll be able to show some of them later. Do you want to unwrap this?
Ooh, it's kind of like a present.
Right.
Alright. So we have artist tiles, and these are Bristol paper, which is a really kind of smooth paper, and the ink will just do a really lovely job of like sitting on top of the paper without absorbing into it too much. So these are really great material for doing ink drawings.
And so this is our workhorse. Art Alternative 7x7. It is paper. Specifically, what's going to be great for this being in the kit this year, this is 7x7, which is going to be the maximum size that we're accepting to hang in the window this year. So an easy guide. Obviously, people are allowed to use whatever paper and products they enjoy, but this is something that I know that I will be primarily working out of.
Alright, what's in the box?
What's
in the box?
What's in the box?
We're here.
It's the actual unboxing.
The actual.
Again, we have categories, right? We have more packaging. Let's do that first.
All right.
Let's see what's in there.
Ooh, alright.
Options.
We've got a beautiful, this is a Catalyst fine liner script liner brush. So super fine brush. That'll go great with the ink. We've got a pencil. Not ink, but perfect for underdrawings. And then we've got a Uniball Signo ballpoint pen.
And that's got a gel ink in it, so that just like slides right across the page. Love it.
So that's going to be a lot of great diverse options for doing all kinds of different inking.
Right. Other things we have, and this is something that I've never actually used despite the fact that we've had it since we've opened.
Not these exact pens, this product.
No, the product.
These pens are 8 years old.
Right.
No, these are Higgins magic markers, ink markers. And I've never used one either, so...
Yeah, the thing that I have been told by some folks who have used it is that it's just like a really black, flat ink.
Ooh.
So that's something that I know that I come across as an issue sometimes is like if it has that shellac, that sort of like glossy finish, sometimes I really don't like that.
Yeah, you can't get a real flat black with it.
Right, so that's a use that I'm looking forward to trying out with this guy.
Alright, anything else?
Ba-da-ba-ba. This is actually something I'm pretty excited about. Small, but amazing. Legion Yupo paper. It is essentially, I think it's a plastic. Yeah, and that's something that has a lot of applications for a lot of different kind of inking projects.
Yeah, because it has such a like smooth surface, the ink really sits on top of it, even more so than the Bristol paper. It really sits on top and like spreads out and interacts with the paper in a really different way than with a traditional wood pulp paper.
And they just keep on putting out different sizes.
Yeah, and
Very
we got
fun.
the itty bitty one.
Last thing in here, and this is something that's going to be different in every kit because each participant gets to pick one out themselves.
You get to choose your own adventure.
Sharpie oil marker. This is paint in here, in fact.
Yeah.
Different sizes, different colors.
We picked green.
We picked green. I picked green.
Mason picked green. They won the coin flip and got to choose the color. Yeah, so we're going to be doing some little drawing demos with all these different wonderful supplies. And, you know, kind of try out what we can do with them and, you know, give you guys some inspiration for Inktober this year. Alright.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do you know what you're going to draw?
Well, going off of the upcoming, and this is a teaser because that's not released yet, but off the upcoming hit ARTspot prompt list that we're putting together, we're going to draw something to do with spirals.
A spiral. Alright. So you've got the spiral notebook.
I sure do.
I've got the Bristol artist tiles, and let's make a quick drawing.
Yeah, I'm just going to crack this open right off the bat.
Yeah. So this is the Uniball Signo 207 pen. Like, I'm really nervous about the actual liquid ink.
Ooh, I'm so looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to playing around with the catalyst brush.
Well, I'm going to do it first. Because I'm older and I get first dibs on everything.
That's how it's worked this whole time.
Oh, it's got a dropper!
What?
This is a game changer. I need to get, excuse me. Just don't worry about me.
I'm gonna title my drawing. Ah.
I just grabbed water. Ooh.
Ooh.
This pen is a little bit water soluble.
Love it. I love water soluble stuff because you can use it just like you would normally, like any non-water soluble thing. Or you can use water with it. It's like you get two things. Like, that's literally what I always tell people is you get two things for the price of one. Oh my goodness gracious.
It's getting intense.
It's getting all fractally.
Oh yeah.
I love it.
I like yours a lot.
Staring into
I don't
the
even
eyes
know
of
what I'm
eternity.
doing anymore. My confidence is wavered.
You started with a snail, right? But then you spiraled off
I'm just
in another direction.
I'm just spiraling out of control.
Ah!
I find that like when I have successful Inktober drawings, like giving myself a time limit and being like, I'm going to spend 45 minutes on this drawing. I'm going to spend 15 minutes on this drawing. It's more important to like get a drawing posted than it is to have like the most beautiful drawing of all time.
Look at this guy, some filthy eyebrows. Brilliant. Love it. Kind of just like drawing with the dropper.
So this is like really putting out quite a lot of ink. It's like,
Right?
It's cool.
I'm interested to see how it interacts on the Bristol. And
Yeah.
we have rolled.
It's like, ooh.
It looks like a paint pen.
It like hit the water.
I have to use the green Sharpie, don't I? Sunday picked it out.
Yeah.
There we go, see? Got my green in there. Dude, does anybody actually know how to draw in here?
It's a spiral.
Oh shoot, that was a missed opportunity for a
Yeah.
spiral. Here we go, his other ear's gonna be a spiral.
I'm just drawing like seaweed on my guy now. He's like a hermit snail.
I love him.
He's got like a green slime trail going off that way.
My guy's got some green slime trails coming out of his mouth.
Well, this turned out way different than I thought. And that's because I'm not really used to working with liquid ink, and so it was really fun to experiment around with that.
That's one of the best things, like with Inktober, right? Like when you really kind of put yourself outside of your comfort zone and you try some new things, and you do them enough, like you just get better at them.
Yeah. I learned something new, and that's pretty cool, and I'm excited about that.
Oh, I didn't even sign mine. Oh my god, I will sign mine in this ink.
Beautiful. Perfect.
Bellissimo.
Alright. So, two very different looking drawings from the same set of materials. We look forward to seeing your guys' work when you drop it off for our Inktober window this month.
Absolutely. That's one of my favorite parts is seeing that window fill out, but then also just seeing people's progression and how they change.
Yeah, so we're really excited about that. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel. We're putting out more videos every week. And
they're getting better every week.
They're getting
too.
better every week. Comment below, let us know what you liked about it, let us know what you didn't like about it, and then let us know what you'd like to see next time. Find us on Instagram and Facebook and all the social medias, and yeah, thanks for watching ARTspot. See you next time.
Have a great day.